C Max. This is a robotic vacuum from a company that I really like. They're the same ones that make the Anchor cables. So Anchor owns Eufy. Eufy is their smart home company, and this is one of their better vacuums. They have a whole bunch of different ones. This one in particular has 2000 PA of suction, whatever that means. I don't know what PA even means, but this is everything it came with. It came with a remote that you can use to start, change the type of cleaning, tell it to dock, do all kinds of stuff. You can also remote control it with the remote. That's really nice if there's a specific piece of something on the floor that you want it to pick up. And then it comes with 2 extra brushes. So I've already installed the other 2 brushes it gave me onto the front of the device, and I'll show you that. It came with an extra filter, and these are really cheap on Amazon as well. The 30C Max comes with boundary strips. So these are magnetic strips that you can lay down and it won't pass over the boundary strip. So if they have like your dog's bowl or something like that, like it won't knock your dog's water everywhere or do anything like that. This is a cleaning brush, so this has a little blade on the inside down here, and that allows you to clean like hair off the roller, which is super easy to take apart. I've already tried once. A little brush to try and get dirt and dust out, and then a little pick to pull up the hair to where you can. So then we have some zip ties in that bag up on top, and that's really nice that they included those. Is just to clear your power cables off the floor so that your vacuum can clean better. So then we have a little bit of adhesive strips, and I'm not sure exactly what these are for, but I would assume they're for the boundary strips, so they'll stick to the ground. So guys, enough of this. We'll show you the device, the top and the bottom. So guys, this is the vacuum. We'll show you, this is the top. It's really clean, really nice. So this is what it looks like. I think it's very, very short, like it's very slim, so it fits underneath all my furniture really, really well. It's also connected to Wi-Fi, so you can connect it up to Amazon Alexa or Google Home and tell it to start cleaning or to dock itself or whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want so that when you call it that, it listens. So then we got the dustbin on the back. If you press down on this, you pull out the dustbin, there's the filter, and then press down again and lift it up. There's all the stuff that it did after like 30 minutes. So this is just like a 30-minute run. This morning, I had it scheduled to run at 8 o'clock. It ran for about 30 minutes, and then I turned it off and told it to dock. And this is all that it picked up, all kinds of just hair. We have a dog, so it picks up really, really well. It picks up the dog hair really, really well. The filter is really easy to clean out, and then they give you that spare filter, so that's super nice. So there's the dustbin. I'm gonna go empty this real quick. Like I said, it's super easy. You just pull down, open it up. And I recommend that you vacuum with a regular vacuum before you actually start this thing, but you don't have to. It picks up stuff really well all by itself. Our floors are like spotless just from it running for like an hour. And then to put it back in, you hold down the button again and slide it in. It's just that easy. It's not hard to do at all. You don't have to go buy the Roomba i7 that costs $1,000 just because it empties itself. It's a bunch of baloney. You still have to empty the thing that it empties into. It's not worth your $1,000. So this does not have home mapping. So a lot of people are worried about the robotic vacuum mapping their homes for some reason, but these do not map anything. They just bump and move, and I'll show you guys it running in a second here after I pick up stuff off my floor. So it has the power button on top and the little Wi-Fi signal. If you tap that power button, it'll just start going. It also finds its way back to the base on its own, so that's really nice. We haven't had any issues with that yet. So this is the bottom. So it has the 2 brushes that were included that kind of sweep stuff towards the central vacuum. So this vacuum is super easy to pop out to clean, and it obviously needs to be cleaned. But the vacuum is really easy to clean, and with the tools provided, it's a super easy process. It's a lot nicer than cleaning out like a full-size vacuum. Like, it cleans really fast. I've had no problems with this thing yet. I haven't really seen anything on the floor that it couldn't pick up, besides like a full-size leaf. There was like a big huge leaf that our dog tracked in, and it couldn't pick that up, but I just stepped on the leaf and then it picked it up. And like I said, this is how easy it is to clean. You just take this little scraper bit, bring it in, and it just cut through everything. I'm just cleaning it as I'm doing this video, might as well. Then everything just comes off. And I've only had to do, this is the first time that I've done this after probably like 4 hours of it vacuuming yesterday and then 30 minutes today. This is the first time that I've had to clean it out. And then it goes in really easily too. You don't have to worry about directions or anything like that. So it has a little square end. You stick that to the square side, and then it slides and locks into place. And then you stick this back on top. And just like that, the vacuum is cleaned. So if we get a closer look here at the brushes, so it has 2 tires and it rolls over pretty much anything that you can throw at it. I have these like big steps up onto the carpet from the linoleum, and it rolls over just fine, gets it back up into the living room really easily. The brushes pop off for easy replacement. They should just pop straight out. They're really easy to replace the brushes. They have a little cleaning bristle here that cleans out the little gears around the brushes so they don't get messed up. It's honestly been an excellent vacuum so far. It's got a power button down here. We can turn it off and on. Like I said, this is the 30C Max. Let's watch it in action. It doesn't bother with the Christmas tree at all. It doesn't interfere. It can get right underneath all my furniture. See, there's like games on the floor, and it's not hurting them. It just bumps and moves, and this is really nice. It can clean hardwood, it can clean tile, it can clean carpet. And it does take a little bit longer to clean your whole house because it's just random movement. But see, this is like a big step down, and it handles it just fine. It can go over that mat. See, it takes the bumps really, really well. This is an excellent vacuum. I love this thing. So far, it's cleaned up our entire house. We did not pre-vacuum beforehand just to see what would happen, and it did extremely well. And then you can control it from your phone or the remote, which I'm going to go get the remote real quick. So I can turn it with the remote. I can make it do anything I want. There's different cleaning patterns. So there's circular, where it'll start in a circular pattern, and this way it covers more of the room. Here's the circular pattern. And generally it bumps into, it doesn't even like need to bump into something. It gets really close to something and then it doesn't even bump into it. But even when it does bump, it bumps extremely lightly. So don't worry about your furniture getting scuffed up. It is a very gentle robot. It's super quiet. Right now it's running and there's no issues with noise at all. This thing is super, super quiet. So then we can, at any time, you can just start remote controlling it again. Like right now. I can just remote control it, tell it to pick up whatever I want it to pick up. I can also tell it to dock. And this is that process. I know there's a lot of robotic vacuums that have issues docking. So I just told it to dock with the dock button. It turns off the vacuum. It spins a little spinny things really, really slowly, and then it slowly creeps up on the docking station. And it'll also dock itself when it runs out of battery. But that is it docking itself. It should be able to do it from rooms away. It should have no issues with that. We did have one time where it tried to dock a couple times, but it eventually got it. all by itself with no intervention. It does beep at you if it gets stuck or anything else happens, and the bottom of the vacuum actually tells you what the different beeps mean, whether it means something's clogged or the dustbin is full or it's stuck. Let's go check and see if it found any more dirt than what it had before. So we're gonna check the dustbin real quick. So it's already vacuumed once today, but it did find a little bit more. But it's extremely helpful to have this. It takes away the chore of vacuuming completely. Now all we need is a laundry folding robot. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. Again, this is the Eufy 30C Max. So guys, you can buy it from the link down below. I'll have all the different Eufy Robovacs. I really believe in this product. I'm not getting paid to do this review or anything like that, but if you do click on the Amazon links that I'll have in the description and you buy from Amazon from those links, then I may receive some profit off of that. So thank you guys for watching again. Enjoy your day. Go get yourselves a robotic vacuum. Thank you.